Good morning, everyone. Mabuhay Philippines. I'm Mariel. I'm the one of the 25 scholar on online digital training in Katarman. Today I would like to share with you the 10 strategic operation management decision. In 2008, Ford Motor Company reorganized using what known as the 10 strategic operation areas. It was part of the company turnaround and enable the organization be more flexible and financial crisis without taking government bailout. Like Toyota, Google, and JetBlue are known also for using this 10 area system in all of their business activities. It is used to across industry as a guide to operation management. Number one is the goods and services. This includes looking for way to implement consistency in cost and quality and resources across all business operations. Number two is the quality management. Be clear on the customer demands and then meet those expectations. Use market research to determine the customer needs and batch quality. Assurance testing on a product and services in production. Number three is the process and capacity design. These design strategies which support all of production goals including technology and resources. A value stream map can help determine what processes are necessary and how to keep them running So, efficiently. Number four is the location. In developing a location strategy, consider supply chain, the or how the location will be receive supplies, the movement of goods and services internally and to customers, and the role of marketing and public relation in the location choice. Number five is the layout, design, and strategies. Consider the placement of a desk or workstation and how the material are delivered and used. For example, you want to build a restaurant, you have to select the design process. The steps in the restaurant design process can be expanded or collapsed to suit your taste for level of details. There are hundreds of interdependent decisions and steps. Generally, the timing of this project can range from several very intense week to potentially a year or more than a large scales. Development project moving at a steady pace. As a restaurant design consultant, our complete press and proprietary will be augmenting this article with a follow-up pieces on a necessarily or summary of the process we undertake, but one thing that cannot be overemphasized is the importance of starting with a very solid restaurant brand constitution or a platform. It's better to spend more time in planning and soft cost of development with experienced crew than to rush into the design and then try to undo mistake later. It's much easier to make a change on a digital file than it is to change a major mistake on completed building. Number six is the human resources and job design. Implement continuous improvement program with regular review provide continuous training for employees and institute employee satisfaction program to achieve success in this area. Number 7 is supply chain management. Determine the best strategies to streamline, be cost effective, and to develop trusted partners. So, example, the Starbucks they spend hundreds of millions of dollars to protect what they see today in the latest restaurant prototype. So, the wishful thinking to could be duplicated for the cost of what you could build a single unit today. But many companies think this way. To be successful, you must consider the soft cost of development. Mega change like Darden can afford seven-figure salary executive vice president and team of hundreds working on a new concept. So they believe will over $10 million soft cost was spent developing just the prototype plan for each re-rarded season 52 concept. Darden is the world's most successful casual dining restaurant chain. So it's fair, so it is fair to think they weren't just burning money with their investment. So number 8 is the inventory. Inventory is different market changes when it comes to inventory, but all giant plant their inventory control whether supply, storage, and labor all influence how an organization maintain its inventory. Number 9 is the scheduling. So consider both person and people. Ask question how or such as how much product is required to be produced for the customer in the required time. So, or how many people and how many machines are required to do the job effectively and efficiently. This differs among industries and business departments. So, for example, emergency room needs to maintain different schedule than a hospital corporate office. So you must to schedule to know what is going to happen next day. So number 10 is maintenance. This includes people and machine as well as process. What do you need to do to maintain quality and keep resources reliable and stable? So you have to maintain. So for example, you have a 10 employee. So you must maintain this employee to do their job effectively. So I hope you have uh, to apply this your business, even it's a little business, a small business or big business, not just global giant just as Ford and JetBlue. Use them as a guide to analyze your operation, measure your current productivity, and then implement a strategy to operationalize these 10 areas into your decision making process and watch your productivity become more efficient. So this 10 strategic management action is from online.catering.edu. So I hope you like it the video and thank you for watching.